Abafazi be-Earthly King. Yes, she says, Umacele, when she was asked that, what does Musamseleko represent to her? She says that to her, Musamseleko is her earthly king. When she says that earthly king, which means in this earth that she steps in, besides the God that is above, Musamseleko is her earthly king. Her earthly king. So, hey, we can see this picture. It is so cute. I know it's AI, but I love it. I love all the earthly king's wives, all dressed in red, looking gorgeous more than ever. Who do you think her dress looks more beautiful? AI presented Earthly King's wife. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to your daily updates of Utando Nest.